Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. But before we begin, promote ko lang ang Taurus bracelet. Ayan, so this is for alignment ng Taurus energies. Meron tong moss agate, aventurine at rhodonite. So ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Just a reminder, gamitin lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see Taurus. What's up? Ano yung overall energy ninyo? Two of Wands. Meron kang mga pinagpipili ang opportunities. Pero I think, yung iba sa inyo, mas leaning towards the other na kayo, no? Meron na kayong napili. Oo. Tignan natin. Ano yung challenge ninyo? Ano yung challenge? Nine of Wands. I think, yung iba sa inyo, kaya meron kayong pinagpipilian dito na opportunity is because parang pagod na kayo dun sa situation na meron kayo ngayon. Parang hindi nyo na kayang magtagal pa. Oo, pwedeng sa trabaho yan, sa career ninyo, sa relationship, or any situation na sinubukan yung ilaban, pero mukhang alam nyo na hanggang doon na lang yung kaya nyong ilaban. Let's see your opportunity. The King of Cups. So, it's time for you to focus on yourself, take care of yourself. At be more loving, no, sa sarili mo, to be more gentle sa sarili mo. And then your blessing is the Ace of Swords. A great idea. Meron kang magandang idea. It's like a eureka moment that will bring you success. Kasi meron wreath dito eh. So, para siyang ito ay symbol ng success, and you also have a crown. So, meron tong possibility, may potential to na maging successful, whatever idea this is. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong nasa toxic environment kayo sa trabaho, and you've been thinking about a new business, or lumipat sa ibang company. And I feel like this is going to lead you to a better situation. A successful situation na kung saan mas marirecognize ka. What is the Two of Wands? Four of Cups. Oh, ayaw mo na. Parang you don't want to settle for anything less than what you deserve. You know what you want. You know what you deserve. You know your worth. What is the Nine of Wands? I feel like ngayon, mabilis ka na lang makapagdesisyon. Kasi very clear na sa'yo yung mga signs. Alam mo yun, na pinapakita na sa'yo ng universe na okay, this is it. It's time to leave that situation. What is the King of Cups? You have the opportunity to leave something behind. Yung iba sa inyo nahihirapan na iwanan yung sitwasyon na yan. Kasi yung iba matagal na kayo dyan, lalo na sa relationship, may pinagsamahan na kayo. But it seems na para kasing walang pinatutunguhan. Can be a career or a relationship. What is the Ace of Swords? Five of Swords. Oh, alam mo, ikaw yung mananalo dito. Kumbaga, the moment na maglakas loob ka na lumaban, ipaglaban yung karapatan mo, ipaglaban yung dinideserve mo, dun ka magiging panalo. Kasi pinaninindigan mo yung sarili mo eh. Mainstream. Oh, it's time to be seen and show your talent to the world. Maaaring iba sa inyo magta-try sa social media, or being more aggressive sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap mo. Lalo na kung may challenging situation ka sa pera. So, it's time for you to, do things na alam mong makakapagpaunlad sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng growth. And if things are becoming stressful sa'yo, the universe is also asking you na lumabas, ground yourself, maglakad-lakad with nature para ma-clear mo yung isip mo. See, you are taking a leap of faith when it comes to your work. I feel like there is a new environment para sa'yo sa career, sa trabaho. You will be surrounded by people na talagang dedicated sa career nila, sa trabaho nila. So, kapag napapaligiran ka ng mga ganong klaseng tao, maganda silang impluwensya sa'yo kasi mas nagiging, ka rin, optimistic, mas nagiging inspired ka rin, motivated. Yung iba sa inyo, collaboration with other people, pwedeng meron kayong kasamang makakasama sa business na yan or sa project na yan. So, sa relationship naman, I feel like someone is very interested sa'yo nang hindi mo alam. Pwedeng meron to sa'yong intentions or pwedeng may interest, no? Oo. Can be someone na kasama mo sa sa religious na organization ninyo. Parang siguro this person nagtitiwala siya sa'yo or someone na parang gusto niyang mas makilala pa. Two of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng itong person na to is mas matanda sa inyo or may age gap kayo. If you are, pwedeng, basta may age gap, pwedeng mas bata sa'yo ng medyo malaki, no, yung gap, or mas matanda sa'yo. I feel like this person is going to pursue you. Oo. Ano to? I'm sensing a serious connection with someone. If you are in a relationship right now, I think mas lalo magiging solid yung connection ninyo, especially if you are both sexually active. Oo. Energy. Ayan. Stop trying to please everyone. Everyone is a whole lot of people. Protect your energy. Yes. Protect your energy. Kapag alam mong stressful na ang isang situation or parang you feel like it's too much, it's getting toxic, wala nang pinatutunguhan, then rethink. Isipin mo, would you want to stay in that situation or baka gusto mong may subukang bagong opportunities? Why not, 'di ba? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.